So when I got this knife, it was in this box and you could not see it, and you had to open the box that was sealed. Yeah, it's just kind of messy. So this is how the knife is presented in this plastic thingy case. It is centered. There's a little plastic nub, like when it comes off with the parts, that could have been sanded down or removed. Not a big issue, not a big deal. It does whip out pretty good. The handle is very comfortable, smooth. Nothing on that side. I do like the colors. It is assisted open. It has I wouldn't say grinding, but there's like, oh, you can hear it. You hear that? The blade doesn't look like it's rubbing up against anything. The washers look like bronze or metal. Safety lock, sharpening choil. Mild jimping on the spine. Mild jimping on the frame. On the handle. No sharp edges. Tip up. Left or right. Carry. Deep carry clip. Not recessed screws. So there you go. The SOG AEGIS AT. Lanyard hole. I think I said that already. I do like that blade shape. I think it's worth noting that the branding on this is really toned down. I mean, you got a small SOG on the clip, which looks nice. You have studies and observation groups spelled out on the blade. Nothing on that side. Yeah, that's it. That's very nice, SOG. Very nice indeed. Very minimal branding, but I like the branding on it.